User experience can have many different meanings in game design. It can be the impactful slam when you smash into an enemy, the feeling of progression when you level up, or the satisfying dopamine hit of a legendary loot drop. User experience has many words used to describe it. Game feel, polish, accuracy, and immersion. Games that just have that something special, some oomph, if you may. On paper, it might look like another entry to an age-old genre. But during gameplay, it simply hooks you in. There is also a neuroscience component to user experience. Neuroscience in user experience for games is the understanding of how the brain interprets, learns, and remembers gameplay. It's how the brain processes information the player is receiving as they travel your world and complete objectives. Celia Hoden is one of the leaders on neuroscience for UX in games, and I highly suggest watching her available GDC videos on these topics. Understanding the neuroscience methodologies can be one way to help design better user experiences. During testing, it can be helpful to understand the why players are reacting to a certain way towards a gameplay mechanic or design. With this in mind, this course will be focused on our experience as tool designers. We've seen dozens of common mistakes around user experience that can be easily fixed. Knowledge of these issues beforehand and preparing for it can save a mountain's worth of development time.